Hello, and welcome back to Quantitative Reasoning Online, Lesson 15D, Designing an Experiment. Now you should have gone back and looked up blocking, get yourself some more definition or more thorough definition, and some um, examples of them. But here now, I want to look at questions 1 through 3. So let's go do them. Question 1 of Lesson 15D, Designing an Experiment. We got here. Blocking is a strategy that is used in the design of statistical experiments. Perform a search on the net. Perform a search on the internet for the definition of blocking. I need to get this bigger. So, correct definition A. Blocking is used in both experimental and observational studies by removing unusually high and unusually low results from the study. This allows the study to focus on only the most important data gathered. And saying it says removing high and low like your outliers, that's not part of blocking. Blocking is used in observational studies by removing unusually high and unusually low results from study. Again, it's only observational, and again for removing data. Results, no. Blocking is used in experimental studies by preventing subjects with certain characteristics from participating in the study. This prevents unwanted data from being collected in the study. Is to prevent subjects? No, actually, we're trying to get subjects that are represented by some characteristics we're interested in isolating. Blocking is used in experimental studies by arranging subjects into groups or blocks. Yeah. The participants in each block share some attributes such as gender or age, or some other characteristic. Each block can then be divided into control and treatment groups. Definitely the best one. Yes, what it's saying is like one of the group that I described, like 20 people, mixed race, a certain age, but they're all smokers. And from this here, we may make probably a bigger number. Make a placebo group or control. Treatment 1, treatment 2. Then we can do analysis on how it works for smokers. Then we have the group with a high BMI. Again, we have a control. Then we make a treatment group 1. Treatment group 2 out of that. Again, now we can look at how that works for a representative population that has high BMI. Why? Just for argument, say this is low dose, high dose. In a study, you may find that, hey, to get the results we need or looking for, the low dosage treatment may be best if you're healthy in all respect, but you're a heavy smoker. Why with a BMI, because of your extra body mass, the high dose is the better option, or gives better results. That's one reason why you break them up into blocks. There you go. Never check the answer. Okay, researchers are still learning about the power of the placebo effect. While we do not understand it completely, we know that it is about belief in the treatment. What role does technicians play when giving a treatment? To provide a treatment and tell the patient whether it is real or placebo. Don't think so. Provide treatment and treat all participants in the same way, so they don't have any hint. Only to provide the treatment. Now, part of providing treatment is to sell the treatment, placebo or not. That's it. Nice work. In a medical experiment, technicians who give the pill, either real or placebo, are essentially playing the role of actors to establish belief in the patient. The technician should treat the pill as genuine, whether it has a real chance of helping the patient or not. What would help the technician play this part best? To know whether it is a placebo or real, to not talk to the treatment patient, or to not know if it's a placebo or real treatment. Now, this one takes real acting. This one, if you don't know, no faking required. It's working. And with that, we have completed lesson 15D, preview assignment, design an experiment. So, go back and do the questions yourself. Again, work with Stephanie on the workbook, upload the assignment, and work on the practice assignment. And with that, I'll shortly see you. Shortly is a relative term. In looking at 15E preview tutorial.